Egypt, a land of mystery, intrigue, and wonder, has fascinated people for centuries. For decades, people have debated the possibility of aliens helping ancient Egyptians to build their great monuments. Today, we will be exploring the evidence that links aliens to these remarkable structures. These great structures have amazed people for centuries, but there is no evidence suggests that they were built by aliens. But is there any evidence to suggest otherwise? Some people believe that they have discovered indisputable links between the ancient Egyptians and extraterrestrial life. If you look at the hieroglyphs, it is clear that the ancient Egyptians were visited by beings from another planet. They had access to advanced technology and even worshipped gods that came from stars. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the link between ancient Egypt and alien persists. But what might these links be? Archaeologists. One theory is that the tool used to construct the pyramids were of extraterrestrial origin. Some believe that the ancient Egyptians could not have possibly built such structures without help. But is there any concrete evidence to back up this theory? Some claim to have found tools and artifacts that date back to the time of pyramid construction, which could not have possibly been produced by humans. One such artifact is a small stone statue that appears to depict an extraterrestrial creature. It was found inside one of the pyramids and is believed to date back over 4,000 years. But is it possible that it is simply a mistaken representation of something else? Or could it really be evidence of aliens visiting the ancient Egyptian? It's not just the tools and artifacts that tell us about the possibility of extraterrestrial life visiting Earth. There are also anomalies in the way that the structures themselves were built. Could these anomalies really be evidence of aliens helping the ancient Egyptians to build their remarkable monuments? Historians have long wondered how the ancient Egyptians were able to mix mortar strong enough to hold the great bricks that makes up their structures together. It is possible that they had access to advanced technology that allowed them to create strong, stable mortar even in a desert environment. But could it really have been aliens that brought this technology to Egypt? It's important to remember that we still have a lot to learn about the ancient Egyptians. We may never know for sure whether aliens played a role in their remarkable achievements. Despite the lack of clear evidence, the mystery of ancient Egypt and the possibility of extraterrestrial life continue to fascinate people around the world. But one thing is for certain, the legacy of this great civilization will continue to inspire us for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the link between ancient Egypt and aliens. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the unknown.